Hello friends, welcome to Tech Nuggets. Today we will discuss about polymorphism, types of polymorphism, method overriding, and the use of super keyword. So let's get started. The word polymorphism means many forms, and in programming it refers to methods with same name that can be executed interchangeably on objects of different classes. For example, len function is used with string as well as list to find the length of the object. Now let's see types of polymorphism. There are two types of polymorphism, compile time polymorphism and runtime polymorphism. Compile time polymorphism is achieved through method overloading or operator overloading, where the method to be invoked is determined at compile time. Runtime polymorphism is achieved through method overriding, where the method to be invoked is determined at runtime. In method overloading, multiple methods can have the same name but different parameters. Python does not support method overloading directly. This example would raise an error. Instead, we can use default arguments or variable length arguments. Now let's see method overriding. When a method in a derived class has the same name as a method in the base class, the method in the derived class overrides the one in the base class. This is called method overriding. In method overriding, a base class method is overridden in a derived class to provide a specific implementation. Here, in this example, animal is a parent class and dog is a child class which inherits animal class. Both child and parent class has a method speak. Child class contains speak of both parent class and its own class. So when we create an object of child class, which speak method will get called? So it calls its own speak method and print woof as the output. Since the parent class method is overridden by the child class method. Now let's see the use of super keyword. To call the parent class method inside the child class using child class object, use super keyword with the parent class method. For example, animal is a parent class and dog is a child class. Both parent and child class contains the speak method. We have created an object of child class at line 11 and calling speak method using object of child class at line 14. To call the speak method of parent class, we have used super keyword with speak method of parent class. This line will call animal speak method and return string some sound which we are storing in a variable parent sound, and finally we are returning some sound woof as output to print method which gets printed as the output. Now we will see advantages of polymorphism. Polymorphism provides code reusability. It promotes to reuse the code by allowing the same method to be used for different objects of the classes. Then it provides flexibility and maintainability. Code can be more flexible and easier to maintain as new classes can be added with little or no modification to the existing code base. And it provides extensibility. It allows for the easy addition of new functionality without altering existing code. Let's see a real life example of polymorphism where you can draw different shapes like circle, rectangle, and triangle. Each shape class would have draw method, but the implementation would differ for each shape. In this example, polymorphism allows each shape to be drawn using its specific implementation of the draw method, while the method name remains consistent. Hope you understood polymorphism. If you find this video helpful, then please hit the like button and subscribe to Tech Nuggets for more insightful content. See you in the next video.